Americana Restaurants see a 27.1% surge in 2022 profit. And global stock markets are expected to fall over the next 3 months. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Americana Restaurants International, the operator of fast food chains like KFC and Pizza Hut across the MENA, saw 2022 profits surge 27.1% to touch $259.2 million. 2022 revenues also came in higher at $2.4 billion compared with $2.1 billion in 2021. Americana attributed the 15.9% revenue rise to new store openings. Americana's biggest franchise, KFC, contributed $1.5 billion or 61% to the overall revenue. The group currently has over 900 KFC stores across the region. Last year, it added 54 new units. Global stock markets are expected to correct in the next 3 months as investors digest the fact that interest rates are likely to stay higher for longer. That's according to a Reuters poll of more than 150 strategists, analysts, and fund managers covering 17 global stock indices. 56% are expecting their local market to fall in the next 3 months. A total of 48 out of 86 respondents said the chances of a correction are either high or very high. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen says sanctions are hurting Russia badly as she and other G7 finance chiefs gather on the eve of the Ukraine invasion anniversary. She said G7 sanctions have had a very significant negative effect on Russia as it runs a significant budget deficit. Yellen said Russia is finding it extremely difficult to replenish munitions and repair weapons because of sanctions and export controls. It suffered an exodus of qualified scientists, entrepreneurs, and foreign investment. The UK government today introduced measures to cut electricity costs for about 300 businesses in key industries next year. It's in a bid to create a level playing field with other global economies and ensure competitiveness across Europe. Businesses will be exempt from certain costs attributed to renewable energy obligations, as well as network charges paid by users for their electricity supply. Steel, metals, chemicals, and paper sectors, which employ more than 400,000 workers across the UK, will benefit. These sectors made up 28% of total British exports in 2019. Engineering giant RollsRoyce beat profit expectations for 2022, posting $786 million, way above analyst projections of around $576 million. The British firm was helped by a better performance in its key civil aerospace division. Improvement there came as travel recovered from the health crisis. Rolls forecast an underlying profit of up to $1.2 billion for this year. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes RealTime Billionaires ranking. It tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's richest people. Our biggest loser today is once again Gautam Adani, who continues his financial free fall, down $4.5 billion with net wealth of $42.2 billion. Our second biggest loser today is his counterpart Mukesh Ambani, down $2.3 billion with net wealth of $83.4 billion. And our third place loser is Hong Kong manufacturing billionaire Horst Julius Pudwill. He lost a fifth of his wealth today, down $1.2 billion with $4.3 billion remaining. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. U.S. regulators have reportedly opposed a $1.02 billion deal by Binance U.S. to purchase assets of defunct crypto lender Voyager. The SEC says the proposed deal terms may infringe the law, given how the plan expects to repay Voyager's former customers. It added allegations that Voyager was unlawfully serving customers. Last month, a New York court allowed Voyager to enter into an asset purchase agreement with Binance U.S. and to solicit creditor votes on the sale. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.